at the BCTECH Summit, where we are demoing our latest product called Microsoft Dynamics 365 Guides.
Holographic step-by-step instructions for manufacturing, training, the ability to create these amazing holographic guides and also use them as operators.
The new mixed reality application that our team up in the Vancouver office just released a couple of weeks ago in preview. Things have been awesome. I just did a demo with the Premier of British Columbia, and he did it like he knew exactly what he was doing, which was awesome.
What they'll be doing is wearing the HoloLens. They'll be seeing the instructions on how to wire up this aircraft pylon.
And instead of paper manuals and diagrams, we're taking holographic instruction cards and putting it exactly where the work is being done. Being able to actually see different people try it, get their feedback. As a designer, I love taking that feedback to iterate on the product. It's been really great being able to interact with different people.
Create a tool which empowers first-line workers and helps them get up to speed faster and really overcome some of the challenges that they face when they're starting a new job or learning a new procedure.
I think this is kind of where we can have the most impact for mixed reality, but this is to help people train, to learn, skill up.
For it to be public is so exciting. To actually share it with people and see their feedback and start to incorporate it into the product is super exciting. As somebody early in my career, it's really exciting to be working on such a real, tangible project.
I would love to see someone step out of the HoloLens and actually be super wowed by it and think of all the different possibilities and scenarios they can use it for.